Hello everyone. In this big discussion, I want to discuss about software development methodology, which is waterfall model. Waterfall methodology is a software development that uses a sequential approach that functions like a waterfall flowing. In the waterfall model, one phase must be completed for the project to move to the next development phase. Several factors determine the success of using the waterfall model in the development of a project, including the quality of a work as inputs to the methodology and the number of tasks performed. For the waterfall model to function effectively in projects, the project manager must perform the close supervision. Phase of the waterfall model. A project using the waterfall model has to undergo various changes in chronological order for the project to become successful. The design stage is the first phase of the waterfall model, which involves the identification of requirements that the final project will process. And the implementation phase is the second phase of the waterfall methodology, and it involves the project team engaging in the action to make the project functional. It would involve the design of the codes to implement the system when put in the perspective of development a website or application. Verification and testing are the next phases of waterfall model where after the project has been designed, it undergoes testing to confirm whether it functions as designed. Deployment and maintenance are the next phases of waterfall model, which involves releasing the project to the end users who are customers for usage. So, like the waterfall model consists of like six phases. The six phases in the software development methodology, which is the requirement gathering, system design, implementation, testing, and deployment maintenance. In requirement gathering, understanding and documenting the project requirements and objectives. System design, creating a detailed system design based on the gathered requirements. Implementation, the deployment team starts coding and implementing the system according to the design. Testing, thoroughly testing the system to identify and fix any defects or issues. Deployment. Once testing is successful, the system is deployed and made available to the users. Maintenance. Ongoing maintenance and support to ensure the system runs smoothly and meets user needs. Each phase typically flows in a linear manner, meaning the progress moves from one phase to the next and backward movement is discouraged. However, this traditional approach has limitations, and modern software development often adopts more iterative and agile methodologies to better adapt to changing requirements and user feedback. So, moving to the next one, what are the advantages of like waterfall model? Methodology allows the project team to identify errors that could exist in a project before it is deployed to the end users. Once the errors are discovered, there is a room for rectifying and eliminating the existing errors. Using the waterfall model for the development of the project enables the project team to determine the total cost that will be used to develop and deploy the project. The project budget would be developed and followed to guide the project to the completion. Since the waterfall model uses a structured approach, the project progress is easily determined and measured. The waterfall model is methodology that it is easy to use and understand and would suit many stakeholders engaging in the project. With the above advantages, the waterfall model is preferable when engaging in projects. Thank you.